Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will learn how to watermark your Fluvid videos. Now, watermark means you can add your logo, you can add a custom branding. Now, addition of a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve brand awareness and channel recognition. Now, one important thing you need to know is that this feature is only available in the Pro plan. It is not available in the basic plan. So, if you want to avail the benefits of using this amazing feature, you need to switch to the Pro plan. So, to explore this feature, let's log into our Fluvid dashboard. So, here we go. So here we are. Now let's take this video as an example. So let me open the video. So once the video has been opened, on the right hand side you can see this option, branding. So you need to click on this. So choose image for watermark. So to upload the image, you need to click here. So let me just take this image and open. So now there are options. You can put it in the entire video or end of video. It means the watermark will be visible during the last 10% of the total video length. Or you can define a duration. It means the watermark will be visible between the specific time duration that you have selected. So let me just put entire video as of now. So before saving this video, one important thing. If you want to apply this watermark to all your existing videos and future videos, then you need to select this option. And if you want to watermark only this particular video, then you need to uncheck this option. So let's just keep as it is and save. Okay, so watermark has been applied. As you can see, the notification is coming up. So while playing the video, you can see the watermark is coming in the entire video. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.